Okay, next is Nandini.
Good morning. Sound us all.
Louder.
This is
This is my
This is your
school bag.
This is my shoulder.
very good.
bag.
What's inside? Take one by one. Take one by one.
Good morning.
Good morning, Madhashwan. Come on, quick.
Okay.
This is my slate.
Okay. This sound us all.
This is my book.
Notebook.
Notebook. Okay, good. Next.
This. What is this?
This is pencil box.
This is my pencil box. Very good. Next.
My pencil box.
Pencil box.
Okay. Sound us all.
Sound சொல்லு எனக்கு
This
கேட்கலாமா
is
This is my duster.
Good. This is your duster. Very good.
This is my pencil.
This is my pencil. Very good. Thank you, Mama Rini. Well done. Well done. Good. Next is Sukriv Gautam.
thank you.
Sukriv Gautam.
இந்த பேக்ல ஏதாச்சும் சொல்லுங்க நான் கிட்ட திஸ் இஸ் மை சொல்லுங்க ஒவ்வொன்றா எடுத்து சொல்லுங்க
In sentence. Say it in sentence.
எழுது
Good morning, Gorilla ma'am.
Good morning, Mavihan.
நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த இது
Come on, Mavi. Sukriv, fast. This is my school bag.
சொல்லுங்க திஸ் இஸ் மை ஸ்கூல் பேக் சொல்லுங்க
School bag. This is my school bag.
ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் இஸ் திஸ்
Kinoku box.
ஓகே வாட் யூ ஹேவ் இன் இட் கம் ஆன் சுக்ரீவ்
Next.
நெக்ஸ்ட் சொல்லு சரி இல்லாட்டி இது வேண்டாம் நெக்ஸ்ட் சொல்லு வாட் இஸ் இன்சைட் நெக்ஸ்ட் டேக் இட் அவுட் ஓகே ஓகே
Crayons, you don't have crayons. You don't have slates.
எடு நெக்ஸ்ட் எடுமா உள்ள இருந்து எல்லாம் எடுங்க ஒவ்வொன்றா எடுங்க என்னென்ன இருக்கு எல்லாமே எடுங்க டேக் திஸ்மா இங்க இருக்கிறது எடுங்க இல்லாதது ஏன் எடுக்கிறீங்க சரி காமிங்க மேம் அதையும் காமிங்க
Sukriv Gautam, naughty boy. Okay, thank you, Sukriv. Next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Come on, make it fast, children.
Book.
This is book.
This is my pencil box.
Very good.
This is my book.
notebook.
Notebook.
Very good.
My slate.
Very good. This is my slate. Good. That's it. Very good. Well done. Next is Mitra. Mitra. Mitra.
This is my
Come on, Mitra. No, I'm not asking about your plant. I want to know about the materials what you have in your bag. Plant, put it aside. Afterwards, we'll do.
I got book.
This is my word trip book, okay? Next,
This is my pencil.
this is my pencil. Good.
This is
Next.
my sharpener.
That is your
Sharpener.
sharpener. Good.
This is my crayon.
Crayons. Very good. Well done, Mitra. Thank you so much, Mitra. Next is Keshav. Keshav. Come on, Keshav.
This is my agenda.
Hmm.
And this is my set.
Hmm.
And
very good. Workbook, very good.
Okay. Let's see.
Now I got this is my set.
Okay, good. Where is your drawing notebook?
Nice book.
Drawing book. Where is the drawing book?
Where is your drawing notebook?
This is my letter book.
Very good. Very good, ma. Thank you so much, Kesha. Very good. Thank you so much. Good, well done. Okay, next I'm going to ask Jason. Yeah, welcome, Kana. Jason. What, Vihan? What do you want?
Solo Jason.
Pen to board.
This is my solo.
In my pen to board.
Hmm.
In my color board.
Hmm.
In my beach.
Hmm. Very heavy, yeah.
And my notebooks.
Okay, notebooks. Very good, Jason. Well done, Jason. Next is Radhyani. Radhyani,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
come on.
This is my pencil box.
This is my pencil box.
Good. Hmm.
Then middle.
This is my
Hmm.
set.
Hmm. Very good.
This is my
Hmm.
my note.
Notebook. Okay, good. Hmm. Next. One more thing. One more. This is my workbook.
This is my book.
Very good. Thank you, Maradhyani. Next is Visha.
சொல்லு கையில
Crayon.
Hmm.
My crayon.
Hmm.
It is my pen.
Hmm.
this is
It is my book.
Hmm.
It is my
pencil box
pencil box.
Very good.
This is my என்னது
It is my pencil. It is my
Very
pen.
good. Very good. Very good. Thank you, Visha. Well done, Visha. Next is Dashwan Velan. Dashwan.
This is my black bag.
Okay.
This is my plate. This is my tungsten. This is
Okay.
my
ஷோ பண்ணி காட்டு
Very good. Water bottle. Yeah, I can see.
balls.
Okay.
this is my pencil Ishan
This is my bag.
Okay. Very good. Very good, Dashwan. Thank you so much, Dashwan. Next is Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar. Fast, Taruneshwar. Let's start our session. Come on, fast.
Pencil.
Hmm.
My ball.
Hmm.
This is my book.
Very good.
This is my set.
Very good. Well done. Thank you, Taruneshwar. Yeah, okay. Thank you, ma. Next is Sarah. Sarah.
This is my school.
Sarah. Next, Varsha. Be ready, Varsha. Sarah, come on, finish fast. This is mine.
School bag.
Very good.
This is my notebook.
Very good.
Next.
This is my crayon.
Very good.
Pencil, duster.
Hey, doctor.
First
Okay, she will say.
This is my pencil. This is my pencil.
Very good, Kanna. Very good, Sarah. Well done. Very good. Okay. Next is Varsha. Varsha.
This is my teddy bear. This is my color.
சொல்லு say louder
Hmm.
சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு
This
சொல்லு this is
This is
Say, what is this? This is my.
This is my
Hmm.
news.
So what is this? This is
Maya.
what? What is this?
This is my teddy bear.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Then. Hmm.
My pink teddy bear.
Oh, pink teddy bear. Okay.
okay, this is
Then?
my pink teddy bear. Then
How is it? What and all it has?
Yes,
It has.
this has
Ah. சொல்லுங்க. Yeah. Correct. சொல்லு.
2
Say.
ears.
this
It has.
has
வெளில நம்ம சொல்லு மேம் பாக்குறாங்க வெளில நம்ம பாக்குறாங்க சொல்லு what it has.
2 eyes,
Okay.
2 ears,
Very
1
good.
nose,
Very good.
2 fingers,
Fingers இல்ல hand.
hands,
Ah.
Then
2 foot,
2 foot. Okay.
Okay. Does it have a tail? Does it have a tail? Yes, sir.
1 muduku,
One
Tail
முதுகு.
there? Yes or no? Tail இருக்கா இல்லையா?
கை இருக்கா இல்லையா?
Tail இருக்கான்னு கேக்குறேன்.
tail இருக்கா? tail இருக்கா?
tail and
tailனா என்னதா?
No tail. ma'am.
No, it don't have tail. இங்க இருக்கும்ல back tail.
Very
No.
good.
No
Very
tail.
good, Varsha. Thank you so much, Varsha. Kavi Karthika.
this
This
is
is
my
my.
bottle.
Okay, water bottle.
This is my book.
Book. Very good.
This is my plate.
Very good.
This is my bag.
School bag. Very good, children. Parents, you can see their eyes how they are able to repeat the sentences what we are saying. So I kindly request you to teach them any sentences, simple sentences at home. Okay, then only their English communication will grow. Okay, so please I request you regularly we'll be having activity like this also. Okay, they are able to repeat the sentences very well. So kindly please teach them whenever it is possible. Whenever you are asking them to do any work, please ask them to communicate in English. You also can communicate in English. Okay, so children, all of you stand up. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Madhuvanti, Kidzi Antam. Madhuvanti.
Madhuvanti, repeat.
You're unique.
Now I'm unique. My body inside.
You're the wings.
You're the wind.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath my flight.
You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge
All my mind.
with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning everyone. Keep standing. Are you ready to do? Yes, good morning. Good morning, children. Very good morning. That's all of you. Yes, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back, children. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Next. Jason. Very good, Jason. Next. Very good, Keshav. Next. Very good, Radhyani. Next. Very good, Marudin. Next. Very good, Sara. Next. Very good, Ananya. Next. Very good, Ma Sukriv Gautam. Next. Very good, Visha. Next. Very good, Krishna. Next. Very good, Nalini. Next. Very good, Mitra. Next. Very good, Dharneshwar. Next. Very good, Varsha. Next. Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Next. Very good. Children, clap hands for yourself. Clap hands loudly. We know why we are clapping your hands. Yes? What is the reason? Why ma'am is telling you to clap hands? What is the reason? No absentees. Very good. No absentees. All of you are present. So very good. Big round of applause to everyone. Okay. Do you all remember the rhyme yesterday I taught you? Anyone? Do you all remember the rhyme? What rhyme I taught you yesterday? Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. One more time. Vegetables. All of you do the action. Come on. Vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Yes? Very good. And then mummy daddy rhyme shall we sing? Mummy daddy, I love you. You love me too and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you hugs and give you kisses when we meet. Now the third rhyme is five senses rhyme. I have two eyes that can see. I have one nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and one tongue that helps me taste. These are all my five senses. These are the things I should not waste. Okay, very good all of you. Yesterday itself I told you to bring a plant. Today we are going to see about plants and trees. Okay, wait for me a minute. Yes, okay children. Now I am going to show you plants and trees. Okay. Since I am in the school, we have plants and trees in our school. And I am going to show you the parts of the plant also. Are you all ready?
Yes,
Yes, very good.
I can see. I can
Yes,
see.
can you see here?
Yeah, no, I see.
Here.
Oh, man.
Can you see the plant? And can you see the tree here? See here, tree. And here also have a tree here. Yes. And then a coconut tree here. Can you see the coconut tree? How tall it is? Yes? Yes or no? So these are trees. This is a plant. See here. Small plant. See here, small plant here. Here. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and now I am going to show you the flower.
Flower.
School.
See, can you see the flower here? What color is the flower? Tell me.
Color.
And now,
Rose.
flower also. Can you see? What is the color of the flower? Red color. Very good. Red color. I'm going to show you another color flower. What color is it? Pink color. Okay, now shall we the parts of a plant? Yes? Shall we see the parts of a plant? Ready, all of you? You all have plants in your hand, right? Yeah, 1 minute. I'll show you all the plants here. 1 minute. This is our play area. Yes. Play area and our toys. Can you see here?
Play area.
I want to come in.
Okay. Now this is our another plant. Can you see the plant here? This is a plant and this is a tree. Can you see, children? This is the plant. This is the plant. This is very small and this is very thin also. But tree, can you see here? Tree is very big and it is very strong. You cannot shake a tree. Okay, tree is very strong. You cannot shake it. But a plant is not like that. It is very thin and it is very soft. You can pluck it out from the soil. Okay, now shall we see the parts of a plant? This is the leaf. Can you see the leaf? What color is the leaf? What color is the leaf? Green. The leaf. Okay. And this one, can you see here? This one. This is the stem. This is the stem. Can you see here? In the stem only, the leaves all will come out. See here? From the stem only, you can see the leaves. It comes out from the stem. This is the leaf. Okay? And then flower. Shall I show you the flower?
Yeah.
See here. Can you see the flower?
No.
Stem. Yes, flower. And this is the stem. From the stem only all these leaves will come out. Okay. So this is stem and this is flower and this is leaf. There is another part also, children, that is called the branch. Branch means it will be very strong and very thick, children. See here. This is the branch. See how thick it is? This is the branch, but it will be very thin. This is the stem. This is the branch of the tree. Okay, this is the tree and this is the branch of a tree. Now I'm going to show you the root of a plant. Okay, 1 minute. Can you see here? This is the root. Can you see the root, children? It will be under the soil. You cannot see it outside. It will be under the soil. பூமிக்குள்ள தான் இருக்கும். You cannot see it with your eyes. Only when you take out the plant வெளியில எடுத்தாதான் root தெரியும். Okay, this is the root. This is the stem. This is the leaf. Okay, now all of you take your plant. Be ready. Ma'am is going to come back. Yes, come on. Are you all ready with your plant? You have to tell me which is the stem, which is the root, which is the leaf. If you have a flower also, you can say. Okay, children? Yes. Did you all enjoy the activity? You saw a playground, you saw a lot of trees, you saw plants, flowers, everything. Yeah? Fun? Okay, now let me show you first. I'll show you first, then you can say, okay? This is the leaf. Leaf na yelai. Ilai, leaf. Okay? And this is the stem. Edhilarundu leaf varudho, adhaan stem. Okay, this is the stem. But this is not a branch. Branch na periya trees la dhaan irukum branch. Okay, that is not a stem. Okay, that is a branch. It will be strong also. Okay, in villages and all you can see adla oonjal potrupanga illaya villages la, so that is branch. But this is not branch, this is stem. And here can you see the root? Can you see the root? Root enga irukum? It will be under the soil. Okay, you cannot see with your eyes. Only when you take out the plant பூமியில இருந்து வெளியில எடுத்தாதான் root தெரியும். இல்லனா root தெரியாது. Root வந்து பூமிக்குள்ள தான் இருக்கும். It will be under the soil. Okay, now will you say all the parts of the plant one by one? Will you say? Okay, first is Dashwan. If you don't have a plant, no issues. I will show you the plant. Okay. Yes, Dashwan. First, come on. First leaf. Show me the leaf.
This is a leaf.
Leaf.
Leaf. Stem.
This is a
Stem.
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 Okay. Then root. Eduma root.
Root in a month. Root.
Yes, very good. Root. Thank you, ma. Jason.
Bigger than that.
This
சொல்லு
like that.
Jason.
சொல்லு
Root. This
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது என்னன்னு சொல்லு
root.
இது என்ன சத்தமா சொல்லு
Stem. Next.
இது
Leaf.
Leaf. Very good. Next.
Yellowy white flower.
Jason plant has a flower also, children. See here, Jason, show your plant to your friends. See, it has a flower also. Beautiful white color flower. Very nice, beautiful. But I don't have flower in my plant. Very nice, Jason. Thank you so much.
White. Huh?
Magirini. Thank you, ma, Jason.
எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு சொல்லு வாட் இஸ் திஸ்
Sound சொல்லு.
சவுண்ட் சொல்லு அம்மா கேக்கு வெரி குட் வாட் இஸ்
Flower.
what is this leaf very good what is this papa பாரு what is this branch இது this is stem நீ பாப்பா
Stem.
Stem.
நல்லா பாரு
And then where is the root? Root எங்க இருக்கு? Where is root?
ரூட் எங்க
அது
இருக்கு?
விடு ஃப்ளவர் விடு ரூட் எங்க இருக்கு
பிளான்ட்டோட ரூட் எங்க?
ரூட் எங்க
Root எங்க, Magirini? உள்ள இருக்கா?
Soil. Inside the soil.
Okay, here, where is the root? Magirini, இங்க பாருங்க, ma'am பாருங்க.
இருக்குடா இதுல
Where is the root in this plant? Root எங்க இருக்கு இந்த plantல?
வெரி குட்
Very good girl. Thank you, Magirini. Next is Sukrit Gautam.
சொல்லுங்க மேம் கிட்ட எல்லாமே பாயிண்ட் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க கம் சுக்ரீத் சொல்லுங்க சுக்ரீத் சொல்லுங்க this is what is this கண்ணா
என்னது? What is that? Sukrit. ரூட் எங்க இருக்குமா? டச் பண்ணுங்க, மேம் சொல்றேன், நீங்க டச் பண்ணுங்க. ரூட் எங்க இருக்கு? ரூட். ஸ்டெம் எங்க இருக்கு? வேர் இஸ் ஸ்டெம்? ஸ்டெம் எது? வெரி குட். லீஃப். விச் இஸ் லீஃப்? Leaf. Very good. Very good, Sukrit Gautam. You know the concept. Very good. Thank you, Sukrit Gautam. Next is Hazel. Come on, Hazel.
Okay. This is. Sure. This
Show
is.
and tell.
Give it. This is.
Come on, Hazel. Where is the root? Show me the root of the plant. Root. Root எங்க இருக்கு? Where is root?
Say touch it and show.
Root. Very good. Where is the stem? Stem எங்கம்மா?
Stem எங்க இருக்கு touch பண்ணு. Ah. Sister.
Stem. Where is stem?
Stem. Ah, okay.
Very good. Where is leaf?
Leaf.
Leaf எங்க? Very good. Thank you, my Hazel. Keshav. Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Keshav.
Leaf. This is pan. This is pan. This is stem. This is leaf. And this is root. And
Very
this
good.
is root. And this is fire.
How many? Thank you, Keshav. So sweet of you. Okay, next is Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika.
This is a leaf.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
This is a stem.
Very good. This is stem. This is leaf. Then
Root.
this is root. Very good, ma. Kavi Kartika. Thank you so much. Next, Madhuvanti. Fast, children. Come on, we have to do the worksheet also. Madhuvanti.
இரு சொல்லு.
This is stem. This is leaf. This is plant. This is root.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Thank you so much, Madhuvanti. Mitra. Mitra.
Leaf. This is
சொல்லு.
stem. This is root.
Root. Very good, ma, Mitra. Thank you so much. Radhyarni. Radhyarni.
சொல்லு. லீஃப் எது?
Make it fast, children. Come on.
லீஃப் நல்லா தொட்டு காமி. This is a leaf. Stem.
Stem.
Root.
Root.
Very Very good. Leaf, stem and root. Good. Thank you. Next is Rudvin. 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 Rudvin is not there. Okay, Sarah. 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 Sri Ananya. Sri Ananya.
Look at ma'am. No.
Hmm. Hmm.
What is it? Root.
Hmm. Leaf. Where is leaf? Ananya, where is leaf? Leaf. Stem எங்க இருக்கு? Where is stem?
Stem எங்க இருக்குன்னு ma'am காட்டு.
Root எங்க இருக்கு? Root. Very good. Thank you, Mananya. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar.
டாய் கீழே வச்சுட்டு இது காட்டு சொல்லு.
Taruneshwar is not there. Say yes, ma'am.
Leaf.
Come on.
This is root.
Okay, see here, look at my plant. Touch the leaf. Touch the leaf.
டச் பண்ணு. மேம்துல டச்.
Leaf எங்க இருக்கு? Stem எங்க இருக்கு? Where is stem?
ஸ்டெம்.
Where is root? Root. Okay, thank you, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Varsha.
Sorry.
Varsha, ma, where are you? Say yes, ma'am, Varsha.
This is
This is leaf.
Hmm.
This is root.
Hmm.
This is stem.
Very good. Leaf, root and stem. Thank you, Varsha. Next, Visha. Welcome. Visha.
சொல்லு பாப்பா. This is
Little root.
this is
Root.
கரும்பு இல்ல ஸ்டெம்ப். இது என்னது? This is
Yellow.
இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லு leaf.
Leaf.
Leaf. This is flower.
Yellow.
Small flower.
Hmm.
Root எங்க root?
Very good. Leaf, touch the leaf.
Leaf எங்க?
Touch the leaf.
இங்க பாரு. Leaf எங்க இருக்கு?
Leaf, leaf. Stem.
Stem எங்க இருக்கு? Stem பாப்பா. Do பாப்பா. Stem. அப்படி இல்ல பாப்பா. Do இருக்கு stem.
Root.
Root, where is root பாப்பா? Root touch பண்ணு. Root மட்டும் touch பண்ணு. அது root-ஆ?
Root.
This is root.
Very good. Thank you, Mavisha. Vihan. Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Vihan.
Touch panika. Which is root? What is this called?
I can't see your plant.
What is
Root.
this? This. What is this? Stem எங்க இருக்கு? Good. Where is leaf?
Leaf.
Right. Very good.
Very good. Thank you, Vihan. Now I want you to take your worksheets, children. Take your worksheet.
Sarah is ready,
D26. Yes? Sarah, I called. You didn't answer. That's what.
Yeah.
I thought she's not there. Okay. Sarah, come on, Sarah.
बता बोल.
This is leaf. This is
Stem.
stem.
This is
This is root.
Very good, Sarah. Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you. Rudvin, come on, Rudvin. Rudvin and Sarah, both of them I called.
okay. Chalo. Kiri endade
Come on, Rudvin.
flowers.
Leaf, Rudvin. Where is leaf?
Root.
Root. Very good. Leaf எங்க இருக்கு? Leaf touch பண்ணுங்க. Touch the leaf.
Leaf. So
Very
leaf.
good. Well done, Rudvin. All of you take your worksheets now. Worksheet number is D26 CT. D26 CT. Are you all able to see my screen? If you are not able to see my screen, you can pin the name Kidzi1395. Write today's date, children. What is today's date? Yesterday was 5. Today is 6 dash 8 dash 2121. Month of August 2121. Here you have matched the parts of their names. Okay. So the names are given here: stem, branch, flower, root and fruit. So we are going to match it. Ready? So the first name is stem. Circle the stem first, children. Circle the stem here. Stem word. Stem. It starts with the letter S. Stem. See, where is the stem and match? Where is stem? Na kaam chillingla. Stem here. This one. This one. Stem. Match the stem. This is the stem. Next is circle the branch. Circle the branch. Branch. Branch means kelai. It will be in the trees only. Okay. So you can see here the branch of a tree. Branch. Third one, flower. You all know what is a flower. Match the flower. Fourth one is the root. I showed you the root, right? Circle the root and then match root. Root is the second picture here. It will be under the soil. Root. Next is fruit. Fruit means you know. Here there is a fruit. Match the fruit. And finally leaves. 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 Here you have the leaves. Finish? First circle the word and then match, children.
சொல்லு.
Very good. Everyone has finished? Yes, okay, very good, Madhaki, Madhuvanti. Next, everyone finished?
Ma'am.
Is there anyone still doing?
Sollu finish, ma'am.
Thank you, Mama. Who's that? Okay, next worksheet is D27 CT. D27 CT. Here you are going to label the parts with the correct number. Here the parts of the plant are given below with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ready all of you? Look at the screen, everyone. I want all of you to look at the screen first. First is stem. Stem is number 1. So where you see the stem, you have to number it as 1. First, I'll finish the worksheet. Look at the screen, everyone. Then you can do. Next is number 2 is flower. Flower enge irukkinga? You have to write the number 2 in the flower place. And then 3 is the roots. Roots, number 3. This is the root. A line has been drawn to indicate the parts of the plant, okay? And then fourth one is the, no one should do the worksheet now. Fourth one is the leaf. Leaf. So in this way only you have to name the parts of a plant. Now start doing it. First stem number 1. Stem number 1. Stem number 1. Flower number 2. Flower. You have a box near the flower, right? That is number 2.
B. B.
Third is the roots, number 3.
B.
Roots, number 3.
B.
And number 4 is leaf.
4. 4. 4. 4.
Leaf number 4.
4. 4.
Leaf number 4.
4. 4. அப்படி போடு. 3 போட்டே நல்லா போட்டுட்டு 3.
Very good. Finished, everyone?
Finish, ma'am.
All of you are finished, right? Is there anyone still doing? Very good. Now we move on to our next worksheet. Next worksheet is D28MT. D28MT. Yes, Rudvin, mute yourself, ma Rudvin. D28MT. Here you have to find out which box has the more number of objects. Yesterday itself we saw, right? Greater number and smaller number. Likewise, more na nariya irukkiradhu endha box so that box you have to tick it. Edhula nariya objects irukko that box you are going to tick it. Which box has more na nariya nu artham. Okay, first is the leaf. In which box you have more number of leaf? Which box you have more number of leaf? Tell me, anyone knows?
More. The box.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 leaf here. And then in this box, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have only 4 leaves. So 5 perisa, 4 perisa, which is big? 5 or 4? 5. Okay, so tick the box which has 5 leaves. And next is oranges. Yes, oranges. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oranges here. And in the next box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God. Here you have 6 oranges. So which has more? Which box has more oranges? 6. So tick number 6. Dashwan, do your worksheet, Dashwan. Next is flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have 6 flowers. And in this box you have 1, 2, 3, 4, only 5. But in that box we have 6. So which is bigger? 6. 6 has more number of flowers. If anyone is asking, if your mama is asking you, you want 6 chocolate or 5 chocolate, what you will say? 6 you need or only 5 you need? You will say you want 6, right? Because 6 is the bigger number, okay? Finish?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Very good, Mamitra. Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Nisha. Very good, Dharneshwar. Those are finished.
சொல்லு.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, children. It's very good, children. Now our next worksheet is D30LT. I.
இப்படி வச்சுட்டு மேலே ஒரு டாட்
This is my pet. She spelled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. I. Right, children?
போடுங்க.
A standing line and a dot on top of it. It's very easy to write. D30LT. See here from number 1, draw a standing line and a dot on top of it. That's it. I. Come on, finish it. That's all for the worksheet today. Standing line
நல்லா அது பாரு இப்படி வச்சு
and a dot. Standing line and a dot. Standing line and a dot. Standing line and a dot.
நெக்ஸ்ட்
Finish, ma'am.
ஒரு வாட்டி தான் பண்ணணும். போட்டு போட்டு இது பண்ணனா இந்த மாதிரி தான் ஆகும். அவ்வளோதான். ஃபினிஷ் மேம் சொல்லு.
Finish, ma'am.
பென்சில் அம்மா அதுக்குள்ளே எதுக்கு எடுத்து உள்ள வைக்கிற?
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, children. Very good. Well done. That's it for today. You all have done your activities also very well. Big round of applause. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Say bye. Wait.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, bye, children.
அதெல்லாம் எழுதல.
எழுத சொன்னாங்க ஹோம்ஒர்க்னு சொன்னாங்களே என்ன
பாய் மேம்.